This is Infinix Smart 7, and today I will show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. First order of business is to launch the calendar application. Then choose the date that you would like to set or create your event on. Then hit this plus icon and edit all the details. The details you can add are title, time frames, repetitiveness or reoccurrence, reminding or notifying preferences, time zone, location, and description. Then save your event, and here you have it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.